Welcome students. In last period we have seen the chapter number first, number system and binary arithmetic. Also we have seen decimal numbers in last live lecture on teaching it. Today we are going to see the next number system, that is binary number system. Binary numbers. Now whenever a number system is to be learned, we learn total number of digits in it. Digits. Total digits. Now come to the decimal. In decimal, total number of digits are 10. What are those? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now, example of decimal number system, say 5, 8, 3. But we can't say it 583. We say 583. So 5 stands for 500 here. 8 stands for 80. 3 stands for only 3. Why? Because 3 is at unit place, 8 is at decades place, tens place, and 100th place. So as the place change, tens power increases. Why we say this number 583? Actually we can say 583, but we do not call 583. We say 583. Why 583? Because you see the place of 5 is 100th place. Place of 8 is tens place. Place of 3 is unit place. So as the place increase, tens power increase. See, 3 stand for 3 into 10 to the power 0. 8 stand for 8 into 10 to the power 1. 5 stand for 5 into 10 to the power 100. It means 5 is 10 to the power 2. Now you see, take one example of decimal number. Say 285. What we call it? 285. So 2 stand for 2 into 100. 8 stand for 8 into 10. 5 stand for 5 into 1. It means as the place increases, power increases. You see, 1 is the tens 0th power, 10 is tens first power, 100 is tens second power. It means in decimal number system, any number is created from this digit sequence. You see, 285 coming from same step, 285. So these are called as digit. This is called as a number. And every number in a decimal, every digit in a decimal number, 3-digit decimal number is there. Every digit in a decimal number is having tens power, tens power, tens power. And hence we have seen decimal numbers are the numbers which are made up of decimal digit. Decimal number is a number which are made up of decimal digits, and every digit in a decimal number is having tens power increasing from right to left. So this was the decimal number system. Today we are going to see binary numbers. In binary numbers there are only 2 digits, total digits 2. What are those? 0, 1. So as decimal number system was having 10 digit and any number was having tens power to every digit. Similarly, example of binary number, see 1, 0, 1, 1. So this is called as a binary number of 4 digits. A 4-digit binary number, and binary digit in short it is called as bit. Bits. Binary digit is called as bit. Total bit 2, 0 and 1. So any binary number will be created will be made up of only 0 and 1. As decimal numbers in which there are 10 digits, any number will be created by using that 10 digits, and every digit will be having tens power in decimal number system. In binary number system, total bits, that is total digits, are only 2. Those are 0 and 1. And look, this number 1 0 1 1. This is coming from the same set. So it will be having 2's power. 2 to the power 0 will be given to 1, plus 2 to the power 1 will be given to 1. Here plus 2 to the power 2 but will be given to 0, plus 2 to the power 3 will be given to 1. So 1 into 8 plus 0 into 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1. So it is 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1, that is 11 of the decimal. Now you can say, how we can say 1011 is a binary only? It may be the decimal, because 1 and 0 are available in decimal number system also. That's why giving the basic income. Now it is 101. So what the definition we can write of the binary number system? Binary numbers are the numbers. Binary numbers are the numbers which are made up of 2 digits, only 2 digits. That is 0 and 1. Every digit, binary digit are called as bit, is having 2's power. That is also increasing from right to left. Increasing from right to left. So this is the definition. Now we are going to write one example of a binary number. Example of a binary number. Now you see, binary numbers. Binary numbers are the numbers which are made up of 2 digits, that is 0 and 1. Every digit, that is bit, is having 2's power increasing from right to left. So better way, you take down this definition first. Now, example 1100. This one is the example, but we must give the base 2, because 110, one can say 1100, because 1100, these digits are also available in decimal digit set. That's why giving the base to clear it is the binary number. So this is the binary number, 4-bit binary number. So binary numbers are the numbers which are made up of binary digit. So this is made up of binary digit. Every digit is having 2's power. So this will be having 2's power. 2's 0 power and multiplied with 0. This will be having 2's first power multiplied with 0. This will be having 2's second power multiplied by 1. This will be having 2's third power multiplied by 1. So how much it is? 1 into 8 plus 1 into 4 plus 0 into 2 plus 0 into 1. So you see, 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 12. 12 of the decimal. So 12 of the decimal will be 1100. You don't say 1100, because this is a binary number. 1000, 100. This is the term in decimal numbers. 1, 1, 0. So this one is the example. So according to the definition, what we have seen, binary numbers are the numbers which are made up of 2 digits. Only 2 digits are 0 and 1. You see here, any third digit will not be there, only 1 and 0 will be there, because it is a binary. Have you got this? Today we will see the conversions of binary to decimal, as we have seen the conversion from binary to decimal. Tomorrow we are going to see decimal to binary also. So tomorrow we will see the conversion.